How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. 2004 Ford F-250. Interior is really dirty, especially right here. I think this is all grease. I really don't know what it is. I'm gonna remove the seats, at least the front ones, because the back is okay. I have a new brush, drill, fabric clean. I'm gonna try to clean as much as possible. I have my ratchet. Should be 2 bolts in here, 2 on the back. Disconnect the electrical and then get the seat out. If you're gonna clean everything really strong, I recommend you to disconnect the batteries just to be safe. Get the 2 front ones out. Let's get to the rear ones. That one is a bolt like the ones on the front. The other one is an 80mm. I recommend you to use a deep socket. All the bolts are out. Now just be careful and disconnect the connector. If you can see right there, it's only one cable. All the motors and everything is on the seat. Okay, that's all it is. We should be clear and get the seat out. Now I can use the vacuum, clean everything, remove everything from there. Do the same process with the middle one and the one on the other side. On this truck, I'm using the Duromax HW9 50-407. Just same principle for the driver's side. 2 bolts on the back, 2 bolts on the front. Disconnect the electrical cable. Now you can see what we're working with. Now it's gonna be easier to clean the carpet. I gotta get the vacuum, get everything out, and start scrubbing. I'm gonna do a little time lapse of everything that I'm doing in the inside, so I make everything quick. I'm gonna focus on the passenger side because this part right here is really nasty. I don't think this product is gonna be strong fabric clean. I put a lot of product into it, so I put little water. The solution is gonna be strong. Hopefully it does some cleaning in here. But I'm gonna try to do what I can with this truck. I should have used an extractor after I finish cleaning the carpet, but I don't have one yet. I might gonna get one later on. And everything that you see on this episode is gonna be in the description. This one is not the strongest one, the hard one. This is the one in the middle, so it's not gonna be really hard on the carpet. But like I said, it's a work truck, so it don't matter a lot. We can go strong on it. battery died on my drill, cheap drill. I need to upgrade. But with the little time that I use it, you can see right here. I'm gonna do it manually for now until my battery charge, because I wanna get this done early in the morning so it got all day to dry, because I gotta deliver this truck tomorrow. It's looking a lot better already. It's not gonna be perfect because, like I said, extractor will be better, but at least we clean under the seat, which that was the most disgusting thing. Once I get through the whole carpet, it's gonna look a lot different. As soon as I clean it, I'm gonna use the microfiber towels just to remove some dirt, and then I'm gonna use my vacuum just to finish it up. Yeah, an extractor, that's what we need. Now, just to cover the seats, they're not really bad, but it's bad is the frame. So same process, we're just gonna spray the frame and this part of the seat a little bit, let it sit for a few minutes, scrub it, clean it. Same thing for the other side, because the passenger and driver side, they're in really good condition. I cleaned them, but I couldn't get to this area. Few minutes. I would like to make this carpet perfect, but with the tools that I have, it's no way. I'm gonna spend way too much time. Let me vacuum everything. Let's see how it looks. Okay guys, I know it's not perfect, few little stains here and there, but before and after, what do you guys think? I need more products, I need more stuff to do this a little bit better. This truck is a friend of mine. He just told me to clean it. It doesn't have to be perfect because he's gonna use it to work, and probably later on it's gonna look the same, hopefully not, but this is gonna give me the opportunity to improve. Now I'm gonna wait until this get dry. That's why I did it in the morning. Seats, I don't worry much about the seats. I clean them, but he's gonna put new ones. Let me show you why. I cleaned the rails, so everything is clean on them, but you see that cut in there? They put duct tape. New seats are coming for it, but overall the frame, seats, everything is clean, just for now, because new seats are coming. So guys, I'm gonna leave it with that. Carpet looks a lot better. I'm gonna put the seats later on. I'm just gonna move the truck, let it sit on the sun for a few hours until the carpet gets dry, so then I can put back the seats. And tomorrow, after a week, finally I'm gonna get my car back, because I left my car at my friend's house. He's been parking in there for more than a week, because I've been using this truck and I've been working on it, especially on the paint, cleaning, and all that. I'll leave you with that, guys. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. The link is gonna be in the description for all the products that I use on this episode. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.